Food go when you eat.
In your mouth.
And then where does it go?
Down the body.
Take your hand away. Where does it go after your mouth?
Down the body.
And then where does it go?
Down.
Goes down your food pipe and into your,
Intestines.
good girl, goes to your stomach and then your intestines, and then it gets into your blood
Blood.
and gives you lots of,
Energy.
good girl.